So about 2 months ago, Crazybaby sent me these wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They're actually really cool. They come in this unique case. One thing I really like about them is they fit completely in your ear. It comes with extra earpieces so you can make sure that it fits for your ear size. It is chargeable via USB-C. That's pretty cool. And another nice thing about this is everything kind of snaps into place magnetically. So even the case will close with magnets and the earbuds just pop into place. So one concern I've had with these, and a concern I think a lot of people have with these type of earbuds, is how well do they actually stay in your ear? Kind of worried about, if these fall out somewhere, you'll lose them. That'd be a bummer. So one of the things I tested out when I've been using these for the past 2 months is just seeing if they fall out or not. I go outside, I do some activities. I haven't gone running or anything like that with these. I have intentionally tried to shake them out of my ears. Can't do it. Another cool thing about these earbuds is I've used a bunch of similar kind of earbuds, and in general the earbuds that don't have any wire at all usually only have one function, that's play or pause. But with these earbuds you actually have a lot more functionality. Each earbud has its own little push button, and you can use that button to do different things. So certainly you can do play, pause, you can do double taps for next track and previous tap, and you can even do a triple tap to open Google Home Assistant, which I actually found pretty useful. There's a lot of times where I'm listening to music, I need to pause the music and I need to look something up really quick. Do a triple tap to say my command and I can get the information I need that way. And I don't know if this is intentional or not, but when you do tap in your ear, it puts it in your ear even better, so it helps these stay in nice and secure, but it's not to the point where you're like jamming it in your ear. Just a nice gentle tap will keep it in, and that's pretty cool. I like that. One feature that is missing from these earbuds that you can't control with the buttons is the volume. You can use Google Assistant to change the volume if you want to, but that's something to be aware of with these. Change volume to 75%. Overall, I really actually enjoyed these earbuds. I think they're really nice. They fit very well in my ear. The sound quality is really good. I've used these a lot for listening to podcasts, and that's been really nice. When I do the dishes at home, I'll just pop these in. It's very comfortable. I don't feel like there's anything getting in the way or restricting me. I can still control them the way I want to. I actually really do like how when you put them in your ear, it kind of forces you to press the button, which will turn on the earbud, and then when both of them are turned on, they pair with each other, pair with your device. I will go ahead and post a link down below to the product page in Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. Definitely recommend it.